Good morning. This is my first live lesson for phonics. I'm taping it on my laptop, so I want to see how that works out better than my phone. So let's see how it works. Okay, so today for our phonics lesson, we are just going to be reviewing some short vowel sounds. I have made a chart here. I have the A for apple, E for egg, I for igloo, and then I didn't have enough room on my paper, so I have O for octopus, U for umbrella, okay? So I'm gonna be referring back and forth to this chart. I just don't have room to put it up since I'm not in my classroom. I did order a pocket chart, so hopefully when that comes in a few days, hopefully I'll have better workspace. But for right now, I want you to look at these two words. We have the word can and hat. What do we notice about these words? Okay, listening to the sounds k, a, n, a, t, k, a, n, a, t. I'm going to give you a second to think. And then I want you to share with your parent or sibling or somebody, what do you notice about these words? Think time. Let me tell you what I notice. I notice that these words both have 3 letters. They're both CVC words, meaning that they have a consonant, a vowel, and then a consonant. And both the middle sound has the short A sound. Remember, short A is the a. Long A is when the vowel actually says its name, which is the A sound. But this sound is the short A. A, t, and k, a, n. Okay, so I'm going to look at my chart here, and we have A for apple, a. Notice the chart in the picture, the A starts at the beginning of the letter, of the word, okay? So I'm going to put the word can right here, and the word hat right here, okay? So here we have our chart so far, and you're going to be doing work just like this at home, okay? Next, we're going to move on to letter E. What do we notice about these two words? We have the word get and exit. G, e, t, g, e, t. What do we notice about get? I notice that just like the last two words, the vowel is in the middle of the 3 words, 3 letters. Get has 3 letters and the vowel is in the middle. What do we notice about exit? Exit, exit. I notice. If you have a parent or a sibling next to you, you can tell them what you notice. Say, I notice. I notice that the E is a short vowel sound. I have to plug in my computer. But it also is at the beginning of the word. Unlike the last 3 words, the vowel was in the middle. So notice how the E is at the beginning. I'm going to go ahead and place these underneath the E. Just like that. I know this is a sloppy chart. We're just going to do the best we can with what we have, okay? Next, I'm going to move on to the I. Look at I. We have the word will and we have the word in, okay? What do we notice about these 2 words? Will and in. What do we notice? . Pause. I noticed that one of the words in starts, the I starts at the beginning of the word. In. For the word will, I noticed that it starts with a consonant, a W, and the second letter is the vowel. And this word has 4 letters. A lot of the other words that we were looking at had 3 letters. Will. I'm going to go ahead and add that to my chart under the I. Notice I'm adding my words according to the correct sound, right? I have my A words, can and hat, my E words, exit and get, and my I words, will and in. Next, since my paper wasn't big enough, I'm flipping the chart over, and we're going to look at O and U, okay? Look at this word, octopus and mop. Wow, what a big difference in these words. What are some things that you notice about octopus and mop? Octopus. Go ahead and talk about what you notice. Let's start with mop first. Notice it's a 3-letter word. Our vowel is in the middle. Notice the O makes the ah sound. Ah. Okay, now let's look at octopus. Notice that octopus has the same sound just like the mop does in the center. Op and octopus. Both have the short O sound. This word is a lot longer, right? Still has the correct sound. I'm going to go ahead and add that to my chart right here. Octopus and mop. Okay. Last set of words that we're going to look at are under and up. Okay. What do we notice about these words? Kind of a big difference, just like the last ones, right? Up, under. Up starts with the vowel, starts with the U, and ends with the P. Quick, short, 2-letter word. Up. And it's spelled exactly how it sounds. Has the short U sound, right? Next one is under. Under. This word starts with the vowel, just like the word up. They both start with the vowel. It's U-N-D-E-R. Under. Okay? This word is longer than the word up, but they both have the short U sound. I'm going to add that onto my little chart here. So now we can see all our words. We have categorized all our words according to their short vowel sound. Okay? Now, what you guys are going to do, I'm going to attach this assignment in the Google Classroom, and you're going to be able to cut out your own squares, your A, E, I, O, U. These are all your vowels, your own squares, and you're going to do a word sort. You're going to get this chart, and you can print it out. If you do not have a printer, I completely understand. Or maybe you have a printer and you are just out of ink, like we are a lot of the time. You can then write the letters out, and then you can write the word under each column. Okay? Just like how I made a chart. Just how I made a chart. If you cannot cut and glue these out because you don't have a printer, that's okay. You can write the letter out and then write the word out, okay? And then you can just upload the assignment either by picture format, either writing them out or printing them out, cutting and gluing, whatever is easiest for your family, okay? And practice reading these words with your family, right? The more practice we read, the more practice we do reading words, the better reader we're going to become. Okay? Take care, guys. Hopefully you guys have a great day.